With Triton, remote control showering is not confined to mixers. For those wanting a remote control electric shower, there is the T300si wireless. The main components are the heater unit, the remote control panel, and finally, the riser kit, which provides through the wall or through the ceiling delivery of the heated water. The heater unit can be located up to 3.5 meters away from the showering area and can be fitted into the airing cupboard or, as we will show, fitted in the loft. Let's look at the installation in more detail. First, the riser rail. It is similar to the satellite's mixer installation. Offer up the riser rail with the brackets in place. Mark, position and fasten the top bracket. Mark out the entry point in the ceiling and drill the hole. Measure the riser rail to the required length, depending on ceiling height and depth of joist in the loft. The rail can be up to 1.6 meters in length. Cut the rail to length using suitable pipe cutters. Slip on the shroud and slot the rail into the top bracket. Offer up the other rail and bottom fixing bracket. Measure, align and mark the position of the bottom bracket. Optional trims may be added, if you prefer, when fixing the brackets to the walls. Remember to slide the handset holder and hose retainer onto the rail before fixing the bottom bracket to the wall. The supplied flexible water pipe delivers water from the heater unit in the loft down through the riser rail to the shower outlet fitting in the bottom bracket. Now we can fit the shower hose connector to the pipe. Lock the shower hose connector into place in the bottom bracket using the retaining clip. And add the bracket trims to complete the riser rail installation. The heater unit is located in the loft. Flush out before connecting the cold water supply to the heater unit to prevent debris blocking the inlet filter. Just like a conventional electric shower, it connects to the mains cold water using a 15mm compression fitting. Connect the flexible water pipe to the outlet of the unit using the supplied fittings, which form an O-ring compression seal. Fit the clear plastic tube to the pressure relief device and take it to a suitable point where it can relieve water to waste should the pressure relief device operate. We're now ready to connect the 10mm pipe from the heater unit to the riser rail with the supplied push-fit elbow. Then connect the electrical supply. It must be a 40 amp supply for a 9.5 kilowatt or 45 amp for a 10.5 kilowatt supply. Fasten the back trim plate. Now we can commission the remote control. A 10-minute timed shower may be selected by setting a timer switch in the back of the remote control. Then fit the batteries. When the electric supply is turned on at the isolation switch, control buttons on the remote control are pressed in a sequence that registers the remote control with the heater unit, ready for full operation. Now turn off the electric supply. Having selected your preferred location, screw the mounting bracket onto the wall and simply clip on the remote. To complete the final part of commissioning, switch the heater unit back on again and allow it to fill with cold water. The purge pin can then be removed. The unit is now ready for full operation, so we can replace the cover. All pipework will need to be lagged and appropriate measures taken to protect the heater unit from freezing. But please do not surround the unit with lagging, as this may cause overheating in the summer months. Your T300si wireless is now ready for use.